What is up, guys? It is Saturday morning. It's cold. I am going to clean up all of this mess and get the garage organized. So first things first, we got to get the FC out, and then this will go out later. First step done. So all of this is a wreck. Well, we got one spot cleaned out. I'm thinking that compressor is gonna go here and then stack some tires up next to the water heater. So we are coming along with the garage. It's looking better. I need a trash can to go throw a bunch of stuff away. This corner is coming along. We got Alfie's tire stack. Parts washer's actually cleared off now. Kind of stuff has its home. Now I'm kind of branching over to this side and sweeping up and cleaning up as I go along. Garage is looking much better. We had some help show up.
I hate that in all my videos I look like I'm just standing.
You gonna say anything?
That's all you do.
So we're getting there. It's the neighbors. Got an update. I forgot to film for the past like hour and a half, but everything's looking good. Stuff's organized. Joe's figuring out what's his. The floor's all good. I'm going to bring the RX-7 back in and then pull the M3 out and then deal with that corner, which is just a lot. I'm exhausted, I'm tired, but the garage is clean, so I'll check it out. Everybody's cars are back in. We can walk around. Got room to work. Most of this stuff's organized. Same over here. This is a for sale pile. If you need S4 mirrors, they're manual, they're for sale, hit me up. The N52 engine covers for sale, and then that is an RB26 head gaskets. But everything is less cluttered. Threw a lot of stuff away. Here's our trash can. I gotta move that. But damn, we're done and I'm tired. So we're gonna get some food now. And then later I'm gonna work on building a track toolbox to just take with us anytime we go. So we don't have to take my big box or take a bunch of tools out of it and then deal with putting them back in and all that. So now that the garage is all organized and cleaned, it is time to go buy some tools. Joe wants a box, and then I'm gonna get like a little mini toolbox. So I've had these bike stands in my attic for a year and a half, and Joe got a Christmas present.
Yeah. Just gotta figure out. Yeah, see, these go on the frame and then you.
Change of plans. Ace closes early today, so we're gonna go see what tools and boxes we can find here before we go to Harbor Freight. Remember, kids, always buy Craftsman so you can get another one when you break yours. $80 torque wrench. Made it to Harbor Freight and we're looking at tools. That's pretty cool.
Feel that thing? It's heavy. It actually feels like halfway quality.
What? I'm looking for some toolboxes.
All these drawers right here. What could you honestly put in here other than, you know, wrenches or oh yeah, people wrote on all
These fucks.
assy and something else. Oh look. Look at this one.
Look at this motherfucker. Like, what do you use both hands for that? Like, what do you do with this?
That should be the title of the video. You use both hands for this.
Got our track toolbox started. Gonna be super good. So currently I've got some socket sets at home I'm gonna put in, but currently we've got a sales paper because that's what everybody needs. We got wrenches, we got gloves, we got zip ties.
Okay, and this is your location is 160. Cool. All right, I will see you soon. Thank you.
Joe's trying to buy a toolbox.
Yeah, so they have like a really nice toolbox, a Craftsman toolbox on sale, and from looking at other ones that I've seen, it's pretty decent for what it is, and they close in approximately 25 minutes, and they have 2 of them, so that's where we're headed, because I have tools and no box and nowhere to put them really.
They can't find their toolboxes.
Small teardrop rolls down, big chair's cheap.
It's a sad day.
You're good.
So this Ace doesn't have their toolbox. They were gonna order it for us, then get it here on Thursday, then that's just not happening. So now they're calling 2 other stores and they think they have them. So we're getting them to actually put their hands on it and say they have it before we drive out there next time and waste another hour. But going well. What you doing?
Looking for ice skating.
What are you doing?
I'm watching Harry Potter and just chilling out. Slightly butthurt about the toolbox debacle, but it's okay.
So I'm building up the track toolbox for us to take with us when we go. So right now what we've got is our wonderful Harbor Freight toolbox. These were 2 3/8 socket sets that my mom and dad got me for Christmas. These things are actually pretty sweet. They're super tiny. 19 piece each. One's metric, one's SAE. We got some wonderful Pittsburgh Harbor Freight wrenches. We got a Harbor Freight mallet, and then we got gloves. We got a light, some cutters, zip ties, obviously, or a race team. You have to have zip ties. And then just some like Sharpies and random bits. I'm going to be adding to this as we go, but this is a decent starter. What's up, guys? I realized I forgot to kind of end this vlog. I was trying to get this sticker off of the track box, so I hit it with Goo Gone, and then we started watching Tommy Boy last night, so I completely forgot about this whole project. But we're just gonna get the rest of this off, which comes off mint when you soak it overnight in Goo Gone. So the sticker's off. Now my next plan is to just cover the whole box in stickers, and that'll be our track box. It'll be super recognizable to us, so we're not gonna lose it. So first things first, this whole area got cleaned really well. A ton of crap got thrown away and put in the attic. So we've got room. We've got my engine stand out. I'm gonna talk about that probably in another video, but I'm thinking about building another motor for the FC, so that's going to come in handy. Got just, these are my spare wheels and tires, and then those over there. But we've got our diesel for the parts washer, we got some gas. Over here looks a lot better. Basically chargers for everything kind of go on this area. Parts washer, that's all of our paint stuff. Got the compressor all set up. That's Alfie's 7 new wheels that we have to get a stud kit for him to throw them on. And then we're gonna hopefully get rid of this table, replace it with a big toolbox. So that'll be nice. We'll probably move my toolbox over near this one so we can use that as like actually a workbench. Because I'll probably mess with the motor and try to build something over there. But overall, the shelves are organized. We got plenty of room around all the cars. Alright, project track box is coming along. We've got Amsoil, Mazda, us, Ted, us, Tomei. So, it's coming along. I'm glad we did this. I suggest everybody do this if you go to the track ever. It'll make your life easy when you break stuff, and when you're packing up, it'll make it easier to get ready and get out. Because we have a problem getting out on time.
Don't look at me. It's not my fault. It's not! I'm usually ready and you're, oh, I got tools. Oh, I need tires. Oh, my car won't start.
Alright, well, we will end this video for now. Also, if you guys see in future videos that the garage looks like a mess, put in the comments and tell us to clean it, because it shouldn't be that disgusting. So let us know about that. So keep us in check, make sure we keep the garage clean, and we will see you next time. Do you not say anything?
Bye. Is that better?
Bye.